Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Schwartz. Today, we're going to be talking about something a little bit different because this hasn't been on my channel yet because I just got it recently. But the reason it is on my channel is because, well, I'll go into it a little bit more during the video, but basically there's stuff not working on it, and so I gotta try to fix it. It's a newer car, or a new to me car, and it had a bunch of problems that I thought was going to be, each individual thing had its problem. Those things are, let's see here. When you turn the key, can't turn it back, can't take it out of park, tail lights don't work, trunk doesn't open. Yeah, I don't know, just a bunch of random stuff. We tracked it down, or I looked at Google really, and it became a BCM issue. So I was gonna fix it myself and everything, and well, I don't want to spoil it too much, so you'll see in the video what all happens. But I think I got it all squared away now, other than today, or was that yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. This beautiful machine here left me stranded in a town. Wouldn't start, so I changed the battery and everything, and it still didn't want to start. So I'm actually off work because I had my truck instead, and somehow that thing stopped working too. So just having the best of luck lately. But we went to get it with the trailer, and we just turned the key and it started right up. But we think it was maybe a frozen starter or something, so hopefully that's all it was. But yeah, but I think I got it all fixed now. Yeah, I've actually already recorded the video, and this is just kind of the intro. But if you like videos that are basically just solving problems the whole time, this one's for you, because it's one problem after another. It's always something. Oh look, a car. And yeah, so hopefully this will be it and there'll be no more problems. But anyway, enjoy. So we've got the board here. We're aiming for, let's see here, that little guy. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? It's not very clear. That little guy right there, there's a little crack on him. So we're just gonna pluck him off and put this new guy on there. He's still in the package, but hopefully he's the right one, because this is the one that I got. Wow, I could really use a magnifying glass. Do I have one of those? Yeah, I don't know. Here goes nothing. So I actually found a magnifying glass. See that guy right there? Yeah, it's not a very good magnifying glass, but anyways, here we go. In case it's not clear, I've never soldered on a circuit card this small before. So here's the new guy. I'm gonna put a little dollop of solder. That's what you don't want to do. Alright, we'll try that. So I don't know, the new one's on there, but whether it's on there or just looks on there, I don't have the answer to. So I'm not really sure what happened here, but somehow I lost all my sound on this clip. So basically right here, I'm probably bad mouthing the electrical work on whoever did this, because that's if you ever get done with the job and it looks like this, just go ahead and redo it, or just don't do that again. And then over here, I'm pointing out that each of the ports or connections has a certain color, and that color is on the words on there. And so like that one was blue, green, and so on. Pretty sure I walked through each one and said the color, and then I probably made a comment about it's not that difficult unless you're colorblind. Then it'd probably be a difficult job. Something along those lines. Just, it was funny when I said it, I'm sure. So then we had all that plugged in. I went around and I'm gonna try it out, and it didn't work. Yay. So in here I just had to use a screwdriver to get the key back out, because that's what the issue was to begin with. And now I'm probably contemplating my life decisions. Okay, let's get out of the car now. Oh good, we lost sound on this one too, and that's great. We're on a roll here. I don't know what I'm talking about in this one, but I'm pointing a lot, so it must have been important. Oh, yep, definitely important. I'm doing a little Mr. Krabs finger thing. Yeah, Probably talking about getting a different transistor. It is what I ended up doing. Ordered another type of transistor that was more gooder, probably, maybe. And, oh wait, no, this is not that. Okay, so this is actually the new BCM. I ordered a replacement BCM because the other transistor that I installed wasn't working either, and the transistors were popping again. They were just blowing up. And so I probably could have replaced one of the other microchips, but at the time I didn't know if it had something to do with that rat's nest of a aftermarket car starter install. So I just went ahead and got a new BCM. Well, new to me, it was used. I had to program it and stuff. I might put a picture of that here. I made a short about it if you saw that. But yeah, so we had one brake light, and voila, we can turn gears, or not turn, well, I guess we could turn them if we wanted to, but we can shift gears. We can look at the floorboards down there, I guess. No more need for the screwdriver, I bet I said. What else did I try? Something with the lights, maybe? I don't know what's going on there, but that looks like fun. Well, let's get out and look at the lights again. Oh, just kidding. So the trunk doesn't pop open yet. Why could that be, I wonder? Is probably what I was saying, maybe. I was probably like, oh, maybe it's locked, even though I already knew it was unlocked. And then I was like, oh, let's look at the bulb and see if the bulbs are burnt out. Let's look at how dirty the paint is. Oh, that's me. Oh, good. We're gonna have sound again now. Well, apparently there's a GoPro update and it's not doing it. But anyways. So it turns out I'm just a clown, and when I was troubleshooting over here, there's like all the pins inside of the BCM, and I just you know, touched two things together that shouldn't have been touched together, and sparky and stuff, and you know, so got the brake lights working. Don't know what's going on with the trunk. It makes a clicky sound. Here, listen. You listening? So I don't know, might have to Google that one. Well, we're gonna call it there for this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it and all that good stuff. More videos coming, and yeah, toodles.